Did a software update break the Bass-aac library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's fix the library mismatch and get Bass running again. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for Bass-aac library, you can find a diagnostic tool for a thorough environment check. This is the Bass-aac library, the Bass-aac audio extension. It manages the unmanaged decoding of advanced audio coding, AAC, and MP4 audio bitstreams. It facilitates the integration of high-compression audio manifests into the Bass audio engine. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. This error usually appears when required graphics runtime components for Bass-aac library are missing. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX libraries, then update your graphics drivers if the DLL is GPU compute related. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Bass-aac library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Safety first. Never attempt to replace Bass-aac library DLL with files found on random download portals. These sites lack quality control and often distribute files that are incompatible with modern Windows updates. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. The official utility reference below outlines an approach to managing Bass-aac library within a Windows library environment. Thank you for trusting us with Bass-aac library repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.